My name is Anna Filipovic, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own silly putty at home. Now, silly putty is just this very squishy kind of material that you can form into any shape you want. It's really good for little kids, and it's also really good for stressed out college kids to just squeeze. So I'm going to first show you the material you're going to need, and then I'm going to show you how to make it. And then I'll show you the results at the end. So first, I'm going to talk about the material you're going to need. First, you're going to need a bowl that's big enough. I'm using a clear one so then you guys can see what is going on in there. You're going to also need some borax or detergent booster. This was located at Walmart for $3 in the detergent aisle. Then you're going to need some water. And you're going to need some glue. I'm using Elmer's glue, and this is the non-washable one. This one works better than washable because it'll hold a little bit better and won't fall apart. And then also optional is food coloring. So first I'm going to show you how to make it. So first you want to get your bowl ready, and you're going to add some glue. I'm making about half of the recipe, which will need 1/4 of a cup of glue. Okay, once you get all that in there, then you're going to add equal parts of water. Oops. Just to kind of thin it out. And then you're going to add, if you want, food coloring. I'm going to add blue and red to make purple. You just add a few drops. And then you can use a fork or your finger or a whisk. You know, I'm just going to use my finger. And you're just going to mix it all up until it's nicely combined, which takes about a second or two. And then you're going to add your borax. For this, I'm just going to need about a tablespoon, give or take. And so what you're going to do is you're just going to mix it in there and whisk, or use your finger or fork and just whisk in a little bit at a time until it starts forming into a little ball. It's going to look like that. Really gross, I know. And then you're going to just make it into a ball. And you can make it however you want. You can make it more gooey by letting less water or less detergent. Or you can make it more firm, which will make it into more of like a stress relieving ball. And then just kind of clean up the bowl. And this is what one of the less firmer ones look like. These ones are a little bit more firm. So this one holds its shape a little bit better. This one's more gooey. So that's really cool. So today I showed you how to make silly putty. I showed you the material you're going to need. I showed you how to make it. And then I showed you the final results. Here's a few tips for making these. Like I said, you can use food coloring. You can also use Elmer's glitter glue, which makes it really cool and glittery. It's really good for younger kids. You can also add flavors like extracts if you want it to smell good. You can also use these to